Little blue truck's Christmas. Beep, beep. December's here. Little blue truck is full of cheer. Every Christmas, Little Blue has a delivery job to do. See, this says Toad's Trees. Five trees ready to take a ride. How many trees will fit inside? See, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 tree, 2 trees, 3 trees, 4. Just enough room for 1 tree more. Look at that, all 5 trees. 5 green trees make 1 big load. Beep, says Blue, let's hit the road. Blue has friends both far and near. Who needs a Christmas tree this year? Honk, says the goose, this big one, please. Now there are 4 green Christmas trees. Moo, says the cow, the tall one, please. Now there are 3 green Christmas trees. Oink, says the pig, this fat one, please. Now there are 2 green Christmas trees. Mat, says the goat, this short one, please. Now there is 1 green Christmas tree. 1 tree left in a little blue truck. 1 tree left. What very good luck. Little blue truck needs a Christmas tree. Beep, beep, beep. This one's for me. See that? Yeah. That's a great story of Little Blue Truck's Christmas.